In this video, I put together a petite pleasure. These are my plant-based Ganache cups. I'm also including a recipe for a plant-based tahini caramel sauce to flavor the Ganache. These decadent little cups are so easy to put together. Here are the recipes. For this plant-based tahini caramel sauce, we're going to be using a can of coconut cream, a 1/4 cup of plant-based butter, a 2/3 cup of brown sugar, about a 1/4 cup of tahini paste, some vanilla bean paste, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Alternatively, if you don't have coconut cream or cannot access it, you can use coconut milk, but that would require putting the can in the fridge to chill overnight and then scoop out the cream from the top, leaving behind the coconut water. You might need to use more than 1 can to get the amount that you need, but that is another option. And instead of tahini paste, you can use peanut butter or you can just leave it out. To a small saucepan, add in all of the tahini caramel sauce ingredients. Set it on a medium to low heat. With all the ingredients in the pot, start to whisk to combine all of the ingredients and keep whisking until it thickens. You can tell by the way the caramel bubbles how thick it is getting. They move a lot slower as it thickens. It took about 20 minutes and I could have gone longer, but I was afraid it would get too thick. To start our chocolate ganache, it's really simple to make. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of tahini plant-based caramel into about 1.5 cups of dark chocolate chips. Right before the coconut cream starts to boil, that is when it is ready. That's how hot you want it. We're just gonna pour it right over our chocolate and caramel, and we're just going to let that sit for a few minutes. You can start to stir from the middle, not stir like crazy because you want it to be homogeneous and you don't want a lot of air bubbles. So basically stir it until it looks like a chocolate sauce. The storage cups that I found are in these sizes. This is a 2-ounce size and this is a 1 ounce. I think I'm going to fill the 1 ounce size to have as a snack or like a treat.
Mommy, I don't want one because the banana I want one.
Since making these, I have now made several flavor versions. I also checked the caloric count and these came in at about 100 calories per cup. They are such a decadent little treat and they make perfect gifts. My family and friends really love them. If you give this a try, let me know what chocolate or flavorings you use. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.